everybody? Back with another video. I am here with your boy, Fado Nation.
The man, the myth, the legend.
The man, the myth.
Wait, is it not the way it goes?
Maybe, but it ain't you. Alright, if you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell for the post notification and smash that thumbs up. So if you guys don't already know, the video we are doing today is the speed eating challenge. Alright, before I explain any further, let me show you what we have. Alright guys, this is my side and this is Fado's side. We each have a breakfast burrito, 6 tacos, a bag of hot Cheetos, ice cream. He's got chocolate chip, I have strawberry. A Whopper hamburger and a large slushie from Sonic. So we have 20 seconds for each item. Who can eat it the fastest?
Bro, I'm not trying to look like a fat ass though. I'm skinny.
Bro, screw all that, man. We fat boy gang,
Dude,
man.
I'm skinny. Look at me, bro.
He's starting to disappear.
Bro, if you lose any more weight, I'm able to see you, man. So instead of me and Fado judging each other, we are gonna have Nancy, which is behind the camera. She is gonna be the judge. She is gonna tell us who won, who lost, and she is also gonna be in control of the timer. And of course, there is a punishment to this challenge. The punishment that I chose was...
Wait, I didn't get to choose.
Right.
Why don't I...
That's because I chose.
What if I wanted to choose a punishment?
I have an idea. Why don't you start up like a Fado Nation YouTube channel, and then you could choose.
I don't know about all that.
Alright, you ready? You good? You got your guns out?
Hey, no, but I got my gun in the car.
Your Glock?
No, it's a BB gun.
We were chilling the other day, he goes to this, bro, don't make me take out my Glock. So the punishment to this challenge is the loser has to blend up the food that they did not finish. It is gonna go into a blender, we're gonna blend it up, we're gonna pour it into a glass, and of course Fado will have to pound it.
No, you're gonna have to pound it, unfortunately.
Bro, you are pounding this.
Actually, I will pound it. No, I won't actually, no.
No, you're gonna have to pound it. That's the punishment.
No.
You either pounding there or you getting tased.
That's like saying thank you, but no thank you.
You're welcome, but you're not welcome.
There we go, like that.
All right, so Fado is gonna have to pound the shit out of that glass. Item number 1.
Nieve.
Ice cream.
Jinx, you owe me a soda.
Joke's on you, I don't drink soda.
No.
Well, he said you owe him.
I don't give a ratatouille. All right.
See, the metal spoon did help.
So when Nancy says go, we have 20 seconds to pound as much as we can. And you're gonna be the judge on who killed it.
All right, ready?
Round 1.
Okay, 1.
This is scary. I don't want to lose this one.
All right, go.
This ain't ice cream no more.
I didn't turn it upside down.
Time's up. All right, let me see.
I won?
Yeah.
Bro, you got someone that knows. Item number 2. Breakfast burrito.
From where? Holiday Cafe. You're supposed to say from where. You're not supposed to play with your food. That's very disrespectful.
I'm sorry.
All right, ready? Go.
That's about the hash brown. The visual is gonna look.
Done.
All
All right, put it. Well, let's see. Let's measure it.
That was a tie?
That was a tie.
Next item, hot Cheetos. All right, ready?
Yeah.
When you say go.
All right. Go.
I only got one.
Done.
Oh, too quick.
That was 20 seconds.
Oh, too quick.
Mine's one that has less.
I think Junior won.
No,
Yeah. Looks less.
babe,
What?
I ate more.
He looks like he has less.
All right, Fredo won that round. I think it wasn't a fair call, but
No, I won as expected.
hey, the judge said he won. The judge said he won. Remember, we have 6 tacos each. Whenever you're ready, babe.
All right. Go. Stop.
Dude, that first one was gone.
Mm-hmm. What was that?
That's my third one.
The first one?
No.
Oh wait, he got 2 together, aren't they?
No, it's,
He folded it.
that could have been
I obviously won that round. 1.5 tacos down the chute. Next item, the 5th one, the slushie from Sonic. This slushie gives me a headache. Oh, brain freeze.
There's a difference.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I cracked him with some. On your go, babe.
All right, ready? Go.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Done.
That's cool.
Oh, that hurt. I won?
You.
What?
By a little bit, but yeah.
You know your boy Biggz taking that dub.
Hold up.
It's real.
Nah,
Hey, no matter what you think, the judge has spoken. Last and final round. That Burger King Whopper right there. Put it down. What you doing?
Oh,
You already cutting it down with your eyes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
no, I'm just making sure you know where to bite, you know?
Bro, it's a circle.
That sounds like the baddest thing I've ever said, bro.
All right, on your go.
Go.
You gotta do something right here, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Need a napkin, bro? I got you.
Done.
Oh, this wasn't even a challenge. This was just like, bro.
That's how you do it.
Get them.
Where my fat gang at? Get that blender over here.
Wait, hold up.
We
No,
gonna
no,
make
no, no,
you
no, no.
that fat boy gang shake. Alright guys, as you guys seen, your boy Fado Nation has lost this challenge. So Fado, unfortunately, we are gonna have to hook you up with the best fat boy gang smoothie you have ever had. So Fado, allow me to do the honors and put your smoothie together. Of course, he could not beat me on the taco. So
Actually, you know, it doesn't fit
that's
in there.
going in there. Then we got the hamburger that he didn't finish. Then we got
Not the burrito.
the burrito. Man, that looks good, doesn't it, Fado?
This looks fire, actually.
Let's not forget this ice cream right
Hey,
here.
that's too much, bro.
Should I take some out? So we'll just put a little more. All right, we got you, man. Oh, let's not forget the hot Cheetos.
I feel this thing be good, bro.
Oh.
You put in too much, bro. See, nothing else fits. We gotta close it now.
Where's the lid at, babe? Where is the lid at?
No!
Oh, damn, the slushie.
You spilled. No, you lost because you spilled the slushy.
Oh, man.
Ew.
Bro, I got you. You guys, look. I don't know if you guys could see this. Let me try to get you close up in there. That is disgusting.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, when it gets in your cup.
It's So thick.
Wasn't it just liquidy?
Bro, I don't know what's...
Oh god.
Oh my god. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to drink this. That's all you, my boy.
I think what really is gonna kill me is the texture.
All right, look, I'll be okay if you get 3 spoonfuls instead of the whole cup.
Okay.
I think that's fair. 3 spoonfuls.
Okay.
Here, we'll do you a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Bro, come on, that's 1. That's 1. Bro, swallow that shit. Swallow. Bro, that's only 1. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please smash that thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed seeing Fredo take that L and your boy with the dub, see you on the next one.